many people each day drink bottled water. So then I asked my dad, why don't we drink bottled water? And he told me that not many people know this, but tap water is actually more safer than bottled water. And unlike bottled water, tap water is tested many times a day, and even if something goes wrong, you immediately get a notification from the government. And this is unlikely to happen with bottled water. This is where my unique thought comes into play. How about the government enforces a law that whenever you're installing a water fountain or tap water, you also have to install a big board with big letters saying this water is safe because it's been tested many times a day from different agencies, and they say this water is safe. That way many people can know that tap water is more safer than bottled water, and hopefully we can also limit bottled water usage and the usage of plastic. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And like how I just shared with you, how I got my unique thought just by looking around. And if I could get my unique thought just by seeing people drink from bottled water, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.